side down. If you don't...
Serve Cooker. Like and subscribe.
What do you got?
Broken contract.
Well, that's pretty sick.
Yeah. It shows.
Do a kickflip.
Hey, I want to give a shout out to my Instagram, Liam V Shreds, also known as Stay Shreddy Liam, and Surf Cooker.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
Oh. Shout out.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Who's your shout out for?
My mom, my dad. Thanks for all the support. All these big guys, Groms out here, insane.
Sick. Oh, dude.
It's been fun. It's been really
fun. You know, best vlogs in what, Delaware? Is that where we are?
Alright, we got some salmon here, about to throw on the grill, marinating in some teriyaki, some vegetable oil, soy sauce, salt and pepper, a little bit of brown sugar. Nice. So, yeah, been marinating in it all day, so we're gonna throw it on the grill. Oh, look, these things are, that looks insane. These things are slabs, dude. Slabs! Oh my gosh. Just for reference, like, that's a big piece of salmon. And boys, you always want to go skin side down. If you don't, you're pretty crazy. You're an amateur if you go skin side down, dude. And then if you don't do the sauce strip on top either, just don't be an amateur, guys. Just use it all, alright? Whatever you use. And obviously, that's a professional right there. You save it for later, obvious. Let's see how it's looking. Phew. Looking too nice. Yeah, maybe a little longer. A couple more minutes. I think it'll be ready to go. Alright, I think it's about done. But before, gotta pour on the rest of the marinade. Yeah. Ew. All right, let's get these bad boys off. Yeah, peel that off. Put it on the plate. That thing's like fucking beef jerky. And then the salmon is just cooked to perfection. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you think the salmon skin is actually good. Obviously this one's burnt, but this one actually isn't that bad. Sometimes I think it tastes pretty good. So let me know if you should be eating it or if you like it. But look at that salmon though. Yeah. Fresh purchase. New gear, baby. Love it.
Surf Cooker. Like and subscribe.